Today, Joe and I are going to show you why you might possibly have black specks in your tub. You may be wondering why I'm standing in front of a water heater when we're talking about black specks in a tub. Well, homeowners or handymen love to use these steel braided supplies for water heaters because they're relatively easy. And over time, usually within 2 or 3 years, insides will start to deteriorate, and then you start seeing black specks in your tub. So the easiest way to solve this problem is to remove your steel braided supplies and repipe with copper tubing. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.